I feel like it's 4th of July. Okay, tonight we're gonna try some Light Life vegan hot dogs. We've got hot dogs, sauerkraut, ketchup and mustard. We've got jalapeno peppers in case you want Chicago style hot dogs. We have some lettuce, maybe make a little salad, and a big pot of one of my favorites, baked beans. Charcoal grill would be nice, but it's a pain. See how they are. Coke Zero. Best part is no one died, and it's not bad for you. First of all, just a hot dog, sauerkraut, ketchup, mustard, pickles. That looks good. Beans. There we go. Look at that. That'll stick to my ribs. Let's give it a try. It's all the flavors that you need. That's what we like, is the mustard and the ketchup and the sauerkraut and the pickles. And the hot dog just tastes fine. Hot dogs, baked beans, and a Coke. Definitely part of my vegan adventure. Thank you, Light Life.